the channel The Creative Cat, and today I'm going to show you how to make some parrot toys. And for the first one, you will need a string, some beads, crafting beads. I'll take wooden. It's more better for your parrots. Some interesting, colorful toys. I had my sister had some toys that she didn't need, and we just took some bits. And I bought some cat toys. They're really nice and colorful as well. And we were eating too much ice creams, and we had some lollipop sticks. Yeah, ice cream sticks, sorry. So let's start. We put our toy inside. I didn't show you because it took time. We put a bit of beads as well. I will put a plastic bit as well because it's really nice. I like that. And we'll put wood in it. And we put that all on our string. You need only one, any long strings. And we took some. I take my sticks and I'm gonna put on my string. So. Also, to make it more easier to put through them beads and sticks, what I did is we had a candle, and we made our, the thing that is in the candle, the white thing. We make it softer, and we just put our string inside the candle to make it go white from that paraffin or something. Yeah, and then you just need to a bit squinch it so it was sharp, and it's going to be more easier to put through. Here you need to put only 3 of the sticks and decorate with some toys. So because there are holes, First we made some holes, but it was really hard to put through all that gap, and we couldn't do anything. But then we made something. I was thinking a lot about that I was thinking to do this after to make it more easier. So take another 3. So you put like a bit of toys and then sticks, toys, sticks. Yeah, like how you can have 2 sticks each, or 4 or 5. It seems to be nice for your parrot to play. And the parrots, they really like to bite them sticks, and that's another plus for them. This is going to be a bit cheaper for you, and it's going to be really nice to make with your hands. And you might think, oh look, I made some toys, and my parrot playing with my toys, and your parrot might like it as well. When I was doing the toy, my parrot didn't really help me, but he was looking from at the top of his stand. My parrot, he really liked to play with that toy. He was enjoying it, and the most thing that he liked is when the toy started making some noises. He got first time he got scared of it, but after he got used to it, and he really liked it. So how can you see? I put the sticks in. I'm trying to put now the bead in. So it's going to take time. And oh, here did it. Hooray! And what can I say? The parrots at first they got really scared of the toy. Maybe your parrot going to be a bit braver than mine, and they're not gonna get scared, but some parts gonna have to get used to the toy, because when you just put on a cage or in the stand, or I don't know where, like a special place, they might get scared and whatever. But when I bought the beads, some of them were like closed, and this is what I was doing to open them, and it is more easier to put through the string. Oh, here we did our toy. Now it's look like it really nice and going to be fun for your pet to play with it. Proper. When I did the toy, the green one, he was a bit scared at first, but then he came and started playing with it, started breaking it down and started biting. So guys, this is our second toy, and it's going to be a bit harder, and my dad, he was helping me. So if you think that you need some help, ask an adult, and ask someone that likes to do some difficult things, and they know how to do them. So for this one, you need to have 2 strings, and you need to do it in this type of order. You can see, so just watch. It's a bit hard, and you need to be really strong. And I just want to say, we bought like a string toy for dogs. It's really thick, and we just open up the dog toy, and we had them type of strings coming out from there. It's really thick and strong, and you can see that. And now we just did a bit, and we even put some toys in there, so it's really nice and colorful. Gonna be for your pet to bite and play with it and go up and down. But unfortunately, the thing is that the string wasn't been that long, and we couldn't make it full. We couldn't make it all covered with the string. But there's like another idea to do. You can take string and put like hot glue on it on one side, and then just like wrap it around. This metal thing, it was from my sister's toys. You know them baby toys where you do them things. So it's really thick and blue color as well. And here we are nearly finishing. So at the end, I'm going to show you a small video how my parents loved playing with the toys. Just watch the end of it, like in case you don't know what to do. And here it is. And if you can hear, that's my brother. He playing on a drum. So guys, I'm nearly finishing, and I just wanted to say that you can find them things at shop as well. But I wanted to make with my own hands for my parrot, and I'm gonna have like time to spend doing that, and they're gonna have great time with playing with the toys. So we're just gonna leave them small bits so they could like bite or play in case they want to. Oh, here you can see how he's climbing. Wait. Well, he didn't climb that well. Here is our stand. If you're interested, you can watch my previous videos. You can see how to make other toys and how to make stand as well. And here my yellow parrot, look how she's climbing. She's great at climbing. So guys, big thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, put likes, and I see you soon. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Don't forget to write comments.